This sweet potato avocado toast is packed with fiber, healthy fats, and protein, making it a great way to fuel your day. Ready in about 35 minutes, it's perfect for paleo and Whole30 lifestyles. Start by slicing one medium sweet potato into quarter-inch thick slices. These will form the base for our toast. Lay the slices flat on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 200 degrees Celsius, for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through. If you prefer, you can slice the sweet potato lengthwise and toast the slices in a toaster, but monitor closely to avoid burning. While the sweet potatoes roast, prepare the avocado. Slice one ripe avocado, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash the avocado with a fork, season with salt and pepper, and stir in a quarter cup of finely chopped red onion. For a fresh twist, add a squeeze of lemon juice. Boil the eggs while the sweet potatoes cook. Place them in a pot, cover with water, and bring to a boil. Simmer for 10 minutes for hard-boiled eggs, then cool, peel, and slice into rounds. You'll need 1 egg for each sweet potato slice. Once the sweet potato slices are tender and lightly crispy around the edges, remove them from the oven and drizzle with a little extra olive oil. Spread the mashed avocado mixture generously over each slice. Top each slice with boiled egg rounds for a delicious protein boost. Finish with your favorite toppings. Sprinkle red pepper flakes for heat, sesame seeds for crunch, or fresh herbs like cilantro for a burst of flavor. Add a final squeeze of lemon juice for extra brightness. Try this recipe and share your favorite variations in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious ideas.